Everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will be explaining you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, the price of gold is trading around $4805.720. Okay, so in this video I will be explaining you with the help of day wise chart, 2 hours chart and then 15 minutes chart, so that you'll understand how the price is moving in these particular time frame. As well as I'll explain you with the help of geopolitical events that can affect the price of gold in this particular 2 days. See, if you look at the chart now, the price is trading around $4806.780. There is a clear patterns are formed. See, if you look at these particular pattern, we have seen the volume has changed from these levels and started upside. There is a continuous high upside we have seen, an opposite U pattern. This opposite U pattern has formed. After that, there is an upside and a swing has formed at these levels. Okay, and suppose if it started going upside above 4800, because 4800 is an important level. Keep this in mind that 4800 is an important level, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. But if it keep moving upside, there is a higher chances that it will go towards $48-41, which is resistance to, and if the price rising above this level, probability of going towards 48.51 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see the price will move towards a level of 48.79. From there, a further upside can be seen towards a level of $48.90. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further upside, because all these levels 48.90 are already being weak, so chances are high the price will go further high, and yes, from there it will move towards 49.55. From there, a further upside can be seen 49.74, and from there we can see it will move towards 5000. And once the price sustain above 5000, we can see the price will move further upside. Okay, but suppose if it started coming down, see, understand that the price is moving in this range for quite some time. Okay, we have not seen a huge volatility compared to what we have seen in the previous days. Okay, because if you see from this particular zone, we have seen a good volatility. Okay, similar pattern we have seen, in this particular period. So what it says that when there is a consolidation period, then once started making movement towards upside or downside, we can see there can be a further high movement. Before I explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if we look at a higher time frame or a lower time frame, because see, on a day wise chart, you understand you have to decide your quantity, risk, SL and target as per your day wise chart. Okay, so if it keep moving over 4800, chances are high we can see a further upside to 4822 to a level of 4870, and 70 is a weak level. Okay, so there is a higher chance it will cross a level of 4890. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further upside, and yes, it will go towards 4974. From there, a further high can be seen toward 5013, and if the price going above this level, probability of going towards 5041, and then a further upside can be seen, because 5041 is a weak level, so we can see the price will rise above that level. But suppose if it started coming down, see, there is opposite U pattern has formed, so probability can be high it can come down towards a level of $47.74, which is support one, and from there a further high low can be seen towards 47.36. If the price keep falling below this level, suppose if the price started coming down after 47.66, it can come down towards 47.38, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 46.98 can be there, and from there a level of 46.45. Understand there will be a zone breakout towards downside, so if it started falling below 46.45, time frame what we can see, suppose if we started going on a lower time frame on a 2 hours chart, you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen, but we have seen it is making a huge volatility on a 2 hours chart basis. So if the trend breaks down towards $47.40, then we can see there will be a further fall. Suppose if the price started falling, it can go towards 47.87, from there a level of 47.89, and if the price keep falling below this level, we can see a level of 47.41. Okay, and if the price keep moving below this level, we can see a level of 4700, and if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 46.80, and then to a level of 46.64, and then a further fall can be seen. But if it keep rising over 4800, and it started sustaining over 48.43, a probability of going towards 48.58 can be seen. Then from there it will cross a level of 48.89, and then further high. Okay, trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside as well as downside movement. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. But if we go on a more lower time frame, what you can see that the price is still very volatile in 15 minutes chart also. So probability is high that if the price rises above a level of around 48.38, if the price started sustaining of 48.41, chances are high it will cross a level of 48.70, and then from there it can move towards 48.93 and further high. But if it keep coming down, it can come down towards 40. Started coming down, it can come down towards 48.12 to a level of 47.78, and then it can come down towards 47.38. And if the price falling below this level, a further fall can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.